Hey, it's David Baer here from Baer on Marketing. In this video, I'm going to be sharing some really interesting information on text-to-speech technology that is very different from pretty much anything I've seen in the marketplace before. Now, recently I recorded a video that I posted here about a tool called Vidnami, which has text-to-speech built into it. And there are a lot of video makers now where you can upload a text file or type out some text and then have it auto-generate a voice for you. One of the upsides to this, obviously, is that you don't have to record your own voiceover, but the built-in technology in many of these platforms is based on either Google or Amazon technology, where the voices don't necessarily sound quite as natural as you'd like them to. Let me give you an example of what a typical Google or Amazon generated voice might sound like. So here we are on a website called texttovoice.org. There are tons of these. If you just type into Google text-to-speech free online, you'll find a lot of these tools. And so here's one that I just typed in a little bit of speech, and I want you to hear what it sounds like when you play it.
Here is an example of a typical text-to-speech tool. It sounds pretty robotic, doesn't it?
All right, so it does sound a little bit robotic, and it's not going to necessarily be the ideal sound that you want in every situation. And so one of the things that I have been looking for is more natural sounding voiceovers or text-to-speech generators. And there's this amazing tool that's just come onto the marketplace called Synthesys. And I've been going through some of the voice samples, and I'm really impressed by how they've put this together. So let me bring you over to a sample page of their technology so you can hear for yourself the difference between what I just played and what they offer. All right, so here we are on a page with a bunch of examples, and the way that they have built out this technology is they've actually taken individuals' voices, and I guess they have segmented or identified different sounds that these individuals have made so that they can then form words around those sounds. So here's an example of somebody named Beatrice, whose voice is really enthusiastic and can be used for things like radio commercials, TV commercials, that kind of thing.
Millennial Skin is all about celebrating real people with real beauty. We believe in breaking unattainable beauty standards by formulating products that allow your real self to shine through.
That's pretty amazing. Here's another one. This is John, and this is an example of what a film trailer might sound like. And by the way, the sound on this, or the script on this, is kind of funny.
It's that time of the year you've all been waiting for. The Exotic Pet Parade is here this Saturday. Bring your lizards, iguanas, and rare birds to strut their stuff at the 5th Annual Market Circle Exotic Pet Parade, or just come and watch all the action.
All right, and there's some that are in different accents, so I think this one was an Australian accent.
Like many other philosophers who greatly extended our knowledge of nature, Galileo had a remarkable aptitude for the invention of instruments designed for philosophic...
Okay, so you get the point. This one actually was pretty good. This was a video, like a VSL voice. I think I'm actually going to be using this on an upcoming project, this one.
Ready for some fun in the sun? Not without our oversized beach towels. Scott's Surf Shop has everything to cover you at the beach, including swimming apparel, sunblock, scuba gear, flip-flops, and oversized beach towels made with shake-away technology that makes sure you leave the beach at the beach.
All right, so pretty impressive stuff when it comes to natural sounding tones. They get excited. There's a little bit more emphasis on certain words. Inflections change at different points in the sentence. So I really, really like this technology compared to what I've had the option to use up until now. If you'd like more information about Synthesys, I've left a link down below this video where you can go check it out. And that is my affiliate link. If you choose to purchase through that link, there is a place where you can actually access a bonus from me after your purchase. assuming that they are still offering this at the time that you're watching this video, sometime in the future, when you receive your access to the software through, I think it's the JVZoo platform, there will be a place where you can access the request of a bonus from me. My bonuses are actually a choice of any number of different products that I sell on my website for between $75 and $300. So you have a wide choice of what that bonus might be. Anyway, I want you to go and check out Synthesys, see if it's something that you can utilize in your business. Be prepared, by the way, for some upsells, some additional opportunities to, I guess, get more voices or maybe resell it to other people, things like that. Really, you only need the front-end product if you want to have really cool voices. And then if, obviously, you want to find ways to make additional money from it, you might consider some of the upsells. But they're really not necessary to take advantage of this super cool technology. So go ahead and click the link below. And thanks for checking out this video and checking out Synthesys. Oh, hey, before you go, if you liked the video, hit the like button. And if you got a comment, please leave one. And finally, don't forget to subscribe.